the CEO of Twitter, Jack Dorsey, he took shots at Facebook for this new logo. He put out a tweet. He said, Twitter from Twitter, and he did Twitter in all caps. You see, there's the tweet. It's a hot tweet. 17,000 likes. It's So Jack was taking a shot. Him and Zuckerberg are not getting along a whole lot right now. Mm-hmm. For whatever reason, he recently made an announcement that Twitter was going to be suspending all paid political advertisements. I don't know if you saw this. They want to get out of politics, at least in the realm of them getting paid for political ads. Mm. And this is in the wake of criticism being waged at Facebook over election results and fake news. Mm-hmm. I don't think I've said that on it. I don't think I've said those two words together on this. Yeah. But I mean it in the sense of those political ads with the crazy headlines. I don't go on Facebook, but there's a couple of examples in the articles that I read here. So there's obviously a difference in philosophy. Mm-hmm. And so they're going at each other. And this is just another opportunity for Jack to go after Zuckerberg and make fun of the new Facebook logo. But I'm kind of with you. I don't know. I don't find it to be particularly offensive. I hear what people are saying on the caps thing. For some reason, caps feels weird.
Right. I'm just going to look at the old logo.
We're going to compare to the old logo. Yeah, the old logo, funny enough, doesn't even capitalize the first letter for Facebook. Mm-hmm. But it does seem friendlier. I don't know.
Blue is a friendly color.
Mm.
It's more trusting, but I don't know. As for like an aesthetic standpoint, I would love to see more stationary, like what the logo looks like if it's an app kind of logo, or like what's the color definition. Like,
I guess
seems like it's always changing.
I think
color.
The reason it cycles from blue to the Instagram color to the green color is because of WhatsApp. So that's all Facebook's big brands.
Right.
It can fit into that branding.
Yeah.
So it's probably going to change. It's probably going to have many colors available to it.
Maybe there's more examples later on.
Yeah, people can let us know. I don't know. You're on YouTube right now watching this, likely, or you're listening to it. But if you want to leave a comment, I'm curious what you think of this logo and also your general feeling around Facebook. If you want to see the brand elsewhere, if you're a user, if you used to be, I'm always curious about it because obviously Facebook, huge player in the social media space. I don't use it that frequently, and I always wonder if I'm the majority in that, or how things have changed amongst our demographic. I'm curious about it.